Does your birth plan look like this? Then this video is for you. Hey everybody! Welcome to the Belly Blossom. On this channel, I help new mothers on their journey into motherhood. If you're new here, consider subscribing and join this community of mothers-to-be. As a professional nurse, I have seen hundreds of birth plans. My goal of this video is to tell you what you need to know to create an effective birth plan. So what is a birth plan anyways? A birth plan is a written document that outlines your ideal labor and delivery experience. It's a tool for communicating your goals to those providing your care, including your doctor or midwife, nurses, husband, partner, or support team. It can be handwritten or typed or just printed out using templates that are available online. 3 things to consider before writing your birth plan. Number 1, make your plan clear and direct. Professionals that are providing your care are busy and don't have time to sit down and read multiple pages. I suggest making categories such as labor, delivery, and after birth. Within each category, make jot notes, stating your wishes, keeping them under 10 words each. Having to read less will give your team members more time to discuss with you and ask questions about your plan. Number 2, write out your plan with your partner or support person. Creating your birth plan together will give you the opportunity to discuss what you both would like to experience. For example, often doctors ask the partner if they want to cut the umbilical cord. And if your partner is uncomfortable with this, then they'll know right away and won't be caught off guard. Also, if your partner already knows what is planned, they'll be better equipped to support you and to remind everyone else what is expected. Number 3, discuss your birth plan with your doctor or midwife. I highly recommend writing your birth plan in advance to your due date. This will give you ample time to make any adjustments and to discuss it with your doctor or midwife at your appointment. They will give you insight whether or not these expectations are reasonable for you, because certain health conditions can affect the course of action in labor and delivery. Discussing your birth plan will get everyone on the same page and nobody will have any surprises. After all, your doctor wants you to have the best experience possible. Now, what to include? There are hundreds of birth plan templates out there, so do your research and see what kind of things can be included. These templates will prompt you to explore what you want and to encourage discussion with your partner or support person. Remember, don't list every possible option. Only include the must-haves. You can include a nice-to-have at the end if you really want to. Let me show you my plan. As you can see, I have clearly written what it is, who the plan is for, and is organized into stages. Hospital staff may change shift while you're in labor, so someone new can easily find what you want for the stage you are in, saving them time. Using jot notes, I have clearly stated what I want and what I don't want. Notice I have written "if possible" multiple times, indicating that I am flexible depending on the circumstance. Labor is likely to get hectic, so you have to have everything written down because you can't be expected to remember everything on the spot. And I suggest bringing 2 copies, one for your chart and one for your partner. And ladies, remember, this birth plan isn't really a plan. It's a guideline because labor cannot be planned. If you have too many exact expectations, you are more likely to be disappointed if things do not go the way you want them to. These little babies have a plan of their own, and so do our bodies, so we need to be flexible and just enjoy the journey. I have listed my recommended birth plan templates below, so check the show notes for details. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next week on the Belly Blossom.